What are you doing now?
B.
B again. Is that your favorite letter? B for baby. Jonah, say b-b-b-b-b. Say apple. Say apple. Say
Apple.
mommy.
Mommy.
That's right.
Mommy.
Okay, go show me letters. Come on, see D. Find D. D.
Abba.
Abba? No. A.
B.
B for baby.
6.
C, not 6. What's that? Show me D. D for...
T.
No, that's not D. That's E.
E.
Are you just guessing all the letters? Sing me ABCs. Come on. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Jonah. 1, 2. Sing with me. That's right. Clap your hands. Yay. Jonah. Yay. Jonah, you want to say yay? Jonah.
Yay.
Good job.